This is pretty steep right here. Probably can't see it, but it's pretty steep and a lot of big boulders. Probably gonna have to pick my lines pretty good. See what happens. Momentum is your friend, and I'm kind of on an uphill here, so getting started might be the hardest part. Sometimes things look a lot worse than they are, but it is rocky. I'll tell you, this Kojin suspension really soaks up a lot of stuff. I mean, when I hit some stuff and I brace myself sometimes, and I'm just amazed at this suspension. It just soaks it right up. If you have a DR650, I would recommend the Kojin suspension. Got mine through Pro Cycle, and I don't regret it. Beautiful morning. Let's get a nice view of the valley here. Be on the road at 7:30. Here's what I like to do, or what I've been doing this trip lately. I wake up, brush the teeth, do that kind of stuff. I drink a lot of water, and then I start breaking my camp down. And then I like to ride an hour. Try to find some shade somewhere, maybe a bathroom, and then I cook my breakfast or buy breakfast. One of you? Are you Ben or are you Jerry? I'm looking for Ben and Jerry. Some good looking beef. Don't worry, mamas. I'm not here to hurt you. It's alright. Enjoy your hay. All the years living in the desert, I've never seen a rattler. Maybe that ain't a rattle. I don't see a rattle on the end, but beautiful color. Look at that sucker, huh? Just sliding along. Doesn't make a sound. We got a road runner. Got a road runner. He wants to race. Oh, he's flying. He's cheating. He cheated. You cheater! You're supposed to run. Sometimes you just have to stop and smell the, no roses here, but beautiful pine. Pine trees are amazing. Smell them, nice breeze coming through. Oh, just stop. Take a little vitamin C and some water. I don't know if you can hear that wind, but it sounds magical coming through there. What's your name?
My name's Bob.
Bob. Bob is a savior. He gave me some water, and he's got this magnificent setup here on his laptop. He's doing the Arizona BDR as well.
And here's where, I don't know if you can see it with your camera, but here's where we are now, right where the yellow dot is.
Yep.
And this is Long Lake, and so you're going to go up to the T and take a left.
So did you grow up in Albuquerque?
No, Cleveland, Ohio.
Wow.
Very close to the steel mills.
When did you get into Jeeping?
1986. That's when I bought my first Jeep.
What got you into it?
Well, my oldest son was not even a year old, and I took a hike down into the Needles district and down the Slot Canyon, and I was carrying him on my back in a backpack thing.
Yeah.
And I got to the edge, and I looked down into the canyon, and there was a dirt road and a Jeep going down the dirt road. And I said, I want to do that.
Nice.
And I finally got to do it. In June, I'll be 78.
Wow, good for you.
So,
you look great.
well,
Camping
thanks.
and getting outdoors is the secret, right?
Oh yeah,
Especially in times like these.
absolutely. Well, if you go first, and then you run out of gas, I'll catch up with you.
Okay, okay. Sounds like a plan. Don't, your back's still open.
Oh, thank you.
Yep.